So, Moshmi, how did you
Yeah.
get into restaurant business?
So this restaurant business is a 15-year-old. I'm into it right now, and I always was passionate about the food industry, and because it's a family business also. But I've done a course in hotel management for a year, a diploma only,
Nice.
because I had hands-on experience. So yeah, so doing the course, then got into it full time
How
into
you
it.
started?
I
How
started
you started?
15 years ago. We bought this property and
Mhm.
on Jangli Maharaj Road, and we started off from there. Yeah.
And what
Yeah.
is the most difficult thing that you have, most difficult problem that you have faced in your business till date?
Manpower. There's a lot of shortage of skilled manpower in this industry because there are a lot of restaurants opening, a lot of hotels opening. So the
Hmm.
ones who are working in the restaurant want a shift to a hotel, and so on and so forth. So because of that, a lot of manpower we have shortage in this industry. So many times I have stood at the bar, served liquor, being a girl, have served liquor at the bar, then served
Wow.
food, because there's on a Saturday, Sunday, there's so much of rush. So there is shortage of staff sometimes. So I have actually taken the food, I've served them on the table, and I've done all that. So you can't be like, I'm the owner, just stand on one corner and just see to the service is done well or no. You have to get involved in the process. So yeah, so
Uh,
yeah,
Moshmi,
so
then I started working in a startup, and
okay.
that startup was just a startup. And they told me when I joined them, they were like five, six people in the team. They were like, we don't have much money to pay you. Like, my salary was pretty less. It was like peanuts. So I
Okay.
was like, that's okay, but anyway, I will get to work, and later on, I will also
So it
gain
was
some good experience.
Surbhi, so
Mm-hmm.
it was कौन से साल की बात कर रहे हो आप 2006 2004
11, 11,
2011 की बात कर रहे हो आप
11. Yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा
So
ओके
then, because it was an online startup, it was an astrology website. So they told me that,
Okay.
Subi, we want to become number one in India. I was like, why not number one in the world? So
Right.
that was the software website basically, but I didn't know how to make software. I still don't know. I'm not a coder. I knew how to write. So I wrote as much content as I could. But then I realized that there is a thing called SEO. I started understanding what competitors are doing, and along with the founders, we used to strategize. And there is a good thing about startup that they let you do anything you want to. There is no
Right.
hierarchy, there is no structure.
Okay.
So I was doing everything. Like together we created a YouTube channel. Like first videos for 4 years, I have done videos for. By the way, the brand's name is Astro Sage, and Astro Sage TV has some million subscribers now on YouTube. I guess I haven't checked it for a very long time. I'm not working with Astro Sage since 2016 as I started my own business. So like for 5 years I worked with astrosage.com, and by the way, like within 4 years it became number one in the world.
Okay.
क्या
We
बात
had beaten Silicon Valley biggies, and I mean I had never expected that. Like I saw a startup like um, getting born and then becoming bigger than everyone else in one
Oh,
industry. That gave me so much confidence. I was like, because I knew how it happened. I was like, if this can happen, a lot of things can also happen. I can do a lot of things. Then I started my agency. Now I'm also creating a Hindi website. Like I have like Moshmi, you have told the name hindipath.com.
yeah.
So with
Yeah.
that, I'm what the problem is in Hindi, there is no good content available online. People are reading all trash. So I'm trying to put some good stuff, like some what Swami Vivekananda had to say, like what our
Okay.
old literature has in Hindi. Hindi literature is so rich. I am from Hindi, but I don't know any other language, and my plan
हिंदी
is
पथ
to cover, yeah, hindipath.com.
हिंदी पथ डॉट
Yeah,
कॉम ओके
yeah, and my plan is to